The new Center for Child and Adolescent Mental Health is a purpose-built center specifically to support the mental health needs of kids and their families. So what that means is that the center itself is designed in such a way specifically, based on evidence and research about the provision of mental health services. But what's really great about the center itself is everything that we've done in terms of both the development, the design, even the way that we think about how programs are going to be delivered have actually been done in consultation with kids and families who have actually experienced the mental health system, who are letting us know not only the color on the walls and what the furniture should look like, but what the forms that they fill out should feel like and sound like. So the center is really going to be a reflection of the needs and the wants of the families in terms of how they see their mental health being best addressed. We are so excited about this opportunity. We know, and there's lots of evidence and research out there coming out around the importance of green spaces. They call them green and blue spaces, parks and water to people's mental health. And you're even hearing a lot of language out there talking about how family doctors and mental health therapists are actually giving green prescriptions, telling people to actually go out and be outside as a part of their treatment planning. So to be able to have access to a purpose-built green space that's really designed in such a way to meet the mental health needs of kids and families is so important to the work that we're going to be able to do at the center. We were really fortunate to be able to see lots of other centers around the world. And one of the things that really stood out was those places that actually incorporated outdoor spaces to what it was they were doing, and how much that changed the feeling and how it is that people engaged with the site. I always say my dream is that obviously the park space is not only a definite benefit to the kids and families who are accessing the center, but because it's a part of the community, my hope is that, when anybody who's accessing the park site starts to, be in their community and maybe notices the center and actually kind of sees the kids and families coming out of there look just like them, maybe if they're going through something, that's the piece that allows them to say, hey, that's something that maybe I could go to if I'm not feeling so great and I could access. And locating that park space within the community and next to the center, I actually think has real potential to make some of those things happen. Really great part about this whole process is the partnerships that exist. The partnership between Alberta Health Services, the Alberta Children's Hospital Foundation, the Parks Foundation, the City of Calgary, the Rotary Club, kids and families and other stakeholders who have been a part of being able to give their feedback about the park space. I think what we're going to develop and what we have the ability to create, again, is going to make us not only a world-class mental health center, but really kind of highlight who we are as a community and as Calgarians. And I'm really excited about the opportunity.